Every workplace has that one person, the one who brings not just skill but heart. For us, that person is Tiffany Sabado. She's more than an accounts payable manager. She's a trainer, a mentor, a motivator, a friend, and also a runner. And above all, the kind of leaders who makes everyone feel seen and supported. At work, Tiff is the calm in the chaos, focused, dedicated, and always ready to lend a hand. She turns challenge into lessons and mistake into growth. Her leadership isn't about power, it's about patience and purpose. But beyond and deadlines and reports, Tiff is the life of the team. She sometimes life loud, works hard, and makes even the busiest days a little lighter. She's that person who say, "Tara, kape muna." And somehow, everything feels okay after. During trainings, she wasn't just teaching. She was building confidence, one explanation at a time. During team event, she was just joining. She was cheering the loudest, dancing the hardest, and yes, and sometimes drinking the most. Outside work, she runs not just a miles, but toward her goals, her passion, and her next great adventure. And we know, wherever she goes next, she'll keep inspiring people, just like she did here. Tiff, you've taught us more than processes and payments. You've taught us kindness, patience, and courage. You made work feel like a family, and for that, we'll always be grateful. This isn't a goodbye. Let's see you soon. Because a person like you will never be forgotten. We'll miss you, but we're proud of you, and we'll see you again.
Kind-hearted.
Hardworking. Girl! Ano na? One word na describe kay Tiff. Girl! Ano na? Ang masasabi ko lang kay Tiff. Girl! Ano na? Sarap. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, Tiff. Pag-hiring ha.
Confident. Fashionista, syempre. Unraffled. Outgoing. But wait, there's more. Gel. Charger.
I don't mind give you time. Mag-ingat ka, happy trails. We're gonna miss you. And hindi ko sure kung masasama ka namin sa ibang lakad na. Pero hopefully, ma-refer mo kami sa bagong company at magsama-sama tayo.
I'm really on the ropes this time. I've been fighting all my life for you. I never should have said goodbye, but maybe that's what stupid people do. 'Cause you gave me peace, and I wasted it. I'm here to admit that you were my medicine. Oh, I couldn't quit, and I'm down on my knees again, asking for nothing Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Ooh. Don't think I could forgive myself. I'm sorry for the ways that I used you. And I could namamaalam sandali.
If, kamusta ka? Alam mo ba, mula pa nung unang araw na pumasok ka sa inyong opisina, ramdam na namin ang iyong dedikasyon, malasakit at puso sa trabaho. Hindi ka lang basta accounts payable manager. Isa kang tagapagsanay, tagapagturo, at higit sa lahat, isang kaibigan. Lagi nandang tumulong, laging nakangiti, at laging nagbibigay inspirasyon sa iyong mga kasama.
Walang magbabago hanggang muling magkita tayo.
Ngayon, habang pinapaalam ang bagong yugto ng iyong buhay, tandaan mo, hindi mo kailanman may iwan ang mga pusong na-touch mo. Ang iyong kasipagan, kabaitan at pagiging totoo ay mananatili sa mga naiwan mong alaala.
Naisip ko na magdala ng mga gamit mong magpapaalala sa'yo.
Kaya, Tiff, salamat. Salamat sa lahat ng iyong ambag, sa iyong pagiging inspirasyon, at sa pagpapakita kung paano pagsabayin ang galing sa trabaho at kabutihan ng puso.
Kailan ba naging madali?
You're not just a manager, but a mentor and also a friend.
O ipangako mo, walang magbabago hanggang muling magkita tayo. Paalam muna.
Thank you, Tiff. Mabuhay ka and mahal ka namin. Sa bawat pagtatapos ay may panibagong simula. Mabuhay ka, Tiff. At tandaan mo, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Walang magbabago hanggang muling magkita tayo. Paalam muna, sana sandali lang. Paalam muna sandali, tayo'y magkikita muli. Kahit ayaw kung sa akin mawalay ka, walang magagawa. Uwi pangako mong walang magbabago hanggang muling magkita tayo. Paalam muna, sana sandali